The wireless charging project is part of the Gotheborg Green City Zone initiative, where we in different areas of the city is testing different aspects of new technology needed for green city transport in 2030. And here at Lindholmen we test wireless charging of fully electric Volvo XC40 recharge taxis. We have installed a charging pad that sits under the car. There is a corresponding pad embedded in the street, and just align the two, push the parking brake and open the door to start charging. Electric energy is transmitted through the air from the ground to the car, and you can charge as long as you like. Press stop charging when you are done. For the customer this is very convenient. You don't have to handle cables or adapters, and you can sit in the car while charging with entertainment and heating or cooling on. The charge here is fast. We transmit 40 kilowatt and it takes about 30 minutes to increase your range 100 kilometers. This is about the same speed as many DC charging stations and about 4 times faster than the typical home charging. This is an important step for our future promise to go all electric in 2030.